Good evening. My name is Nitin. I work with Beacon as an application engineer and part of the pre-sales team. And today I'll be giving you a brief insight into SolveWorks Composer. Over here we have a Resmin demo or a Resmin bolter, which is basically a digging machine which is used inside tunnels. And this was created by a company called Resmin, which is based in South America, Peru. And today I'll be giving you a brief idea as to how exactly SolveWorks Composer makes your product more interactive for your customer. So let's say, for example, I'm a customer. I bought this particular model and I want to buy a replacement part. So instead of me having to go into my catalog and try to figure out which part is where and what is the part number called, what I can do is I can directly log on to my company's website, or this company's website. This over here it's Resmin. So if I log on to my company's website, I have this option which says replacement parts. Now I know where my part exactly lies, as in which subassembly does my part lie into. So over here you can see there are different subassemblies altogether. Now the subassembly I'm interested in is this part, the drill head assembly. So if I click on that assembly, it gives me an explored view of all the subassemblies within that particular subassembly. You can see that I have my explored view with 3 different subassemblies over here. Now I know where my part lies. I know my part lies inside this particular subassembly. So again, if I click on this particular subassembly, it gives me an explored view of all the parts which are within that particular subassembly. And also in this in my bill of material, you can see that it's completely associative. When I say associative, whenever I hover over any particular part number over here in the bill of material, that particular part number gets highlighted inside the figure. So I know I want to buy this expander pin. I know this is the one. So if I again click on the expander pin, it gives me the explored view of the expander pin as well. Now this is the part that I wanted to buy. So if I click on this, I can say add to cart. So this is one kind of a interactive document that you can make with the use of SolveWorks Composer. Now let's say, for example, I want to create some service manuals. So over here I have something known as maintenance. So if you again go and click on maintenance, I want to showcase how a particular drill head is supposed to be removed. So let's say I click on this drill head removal. Now over here again it gives me a step-by-step procedure along with the annotations. When I say annotations, I mean arrows and all, which makes me easy. It makes it easier for me to understand how exactly am I supposed to do and what exactly am I supposed to do. So over here I can see that I'm supposed to rotate the placement boom to the side of the vehicle. Again, my next step, I see I need to lower the placement boom. Similarly, my next step is going to be extend the drill head to its vertical position. Rotate the drill head to a horizontal position. And lower the drill boom to its lower position. And then remove the retainer caps. Now one more thing I would like to showcase is, like, this is not just a 2D image we are talking about over here. This is actually a 3D image. This is a 3D model. So as a customer, I can actually rotate around and see the whole part in detail and to see what exactly is where. So this is the one advantage of having a SolveWorks Composer. Again, I want to remove the expander pins and then remove the drill head assembly completely. Now let's say, for example, I want to make it a marketing image. I want to showcase my product which I've created. For that, I want again I can create interactive documents which I can post online or to my HTML site. Let's say, for example, I want to showcase how this boom moves around. So if I click on my placement boom, it will show me how my boom is going to work. Again, I want to showcase how my stabilizer is going to work. I can do the same. Now, like I told you, this product is going to be used inside a tunnel for digging. So steering is going to be a little bit tricky. So I want to showcase how my product is going to be steering inside a tunnel. I can do the same. So this is the way you can use SolveWorks Composer to make your documents much more interactive. Thank you.